Yeah, I'm pretty stuck in here. As I was riding, I came to an area of green and red rocks. Green rocks can be due to the presence of reduced iron, which means iron minerals formed in a low oxygen environment like underwater, resulting in a greenish hue compared to the more common red colored rocks. So I don't know if you can tell behind me, but these rocks have a very greenish tint to them, or the sand rock mountain. And right behind that is a big red rock. So the contrast here is just absolutely phenomenal. This is the kind of stuff I love about this canyon. Amazing views in all different directions. The next destination on my Onion Creek adventure will bring me out of the Narrows and into a place called the Onion Creek View. The red rocks in Onion Creek owe their striking color to the presence of iron oxide. When iron within the rocks reacts with oxygen and water, it undergoes a process called oxidation, forming iron oxide, which imparts the vivid red, orange, and yellow hues to the rocks. This process is similar to how rust forms on metal. Yeah, here we are. Here we are, Onion Creek View. Alright, so I have made it to Onion Creek View. As you can see behind me, it is an amazing view in all different directions. I'm looking around, kind of panning the camera around. Sun's in the way on one side, but you could see what I mean. I'll get some drone shots of this as well. We're turning around, so this is about a quarter of the way to where I want to be. So I still got to drive left. I'm going to get some drone shots here, take some pictures here, and then we'll keep on going.
I sure as hell hope that's not the road up there.
Continuing on my journey from Onion Creek View, the road quickly became steep, rocky, and very difficult to navigate. I saw a road up ahead that I feared was going to be the only way out of this valley.
Well, I may have come to my end here, as I don't see a way up that's safe. That looks like a steep waterfall. So I'm going to check it out and we'll see. Alright, I walked up there a little ways and it's every bit as bad as it looks. But it's the only way to get to the top and out of here. So I gotta do it. I'm dreading this already. And no one here. If anything happens, well, you only live once. Take it slow and steady. Like that. Picking a path is the hardest part of this whole thing. If I get over this bit, the rest is a lot more doable. But I chose the wrong side. I gotta go up the other side, so that means I gotta back up. Let me go that way. Yeah, I'm pretty stuck in here.